Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a manual transmission. First, let's identify the three pedals: the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. The gear shifter allows you to select different gears. A crucial step is finding the clutch's friction point, where the engine power begins to engage the wheels. This point is typically within the first 1/3 to 1/2 of the pedals travel from the floor. Understanding these basics is key to a smooth start. To start moving, ensure the car is in neutral, then press the clutch pedal completely to the floor. Shift the gear lever into first gear. Now, slowly release the clutch pedal until you feel the car start to pull slightly, which is the friction point. Simultaneously, gently press the accelerator pedal. As the car begins to move, continue to smoothly release the clutch fully. This coordinated action prevents stalling and ensures a gentle takeoff. Once you're moving in first gear, accelerate to about 15 to 20 miles per hour before shifting. To upshift, press the clutch pedal fully while lifting your foot off the accelerator. Move the gear lever to the next higher gear, for example, from first to second. Then, slowly release the clutch while gently pressing the accelerator again. The goal is a seamless transition, avoiding any sudden jerks or engine revving. When you need to slow down or stop, begin by gently pressing the brake pedal. As your speed decreases, you'll need to downshift to a lower gear to maintain engine control. For a complete stop, press both the clutch and brake pedals simultaneously just before the car comes to a halt. This prevents the engine from stalling. Once stopped, shift into neutral and release the clutch, or keep it in first gear with the clutch pressed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.